Welcome to Student Success 101 series. My name is Michael and I'm a learning specialist here at LCCC, and today we're going to be talking about a flashcard study technique. Okay, flashcards. Right? In another video we talked about the importance of creating your own, right, and the approach to creating them. So look for that. But today we're going to talk about how to study them. Right? So one of my favorite approaches to this is the three-pile game. So you take your pile of flashcards, right? And you get three categories. You got it correct, kind of got it, means you kind of got it, but you didn't fully nail it, or like, nope, I have no idea what this one is. So what you do is you take your pile of flashcards, right? And you take one of the flashcards, you shuffle them up, you take one of the flashcards and you kind of quiz yourself on it. And if you got it correct, you put it in that pile, right? And then you grab another one, right? And if you got it correct, you put it in that pile, right? And now if you grab another one, and if you kind of got it, you kind of put it in the middle. And you grab another one. And if you have no idea what this one goes in that no pile. Right? I didn't get it. And you repeat this until it's all, you went through all your cards, right? Then what you do is you take the got it correct ones, and you take them out of the game. You just set them aside, right? And you pull back the kind of and nopes. Right? And you kind of study them again. You kind of look at them, and shuffle them back up. And you start the game over. Right, you start round two of the game, if you will. Right, so you take your pile of flashcards, you pull one, right? Got it correct, it goes in the correct pile, right? Kinda goes in the kinda pile. Got it correct, correct pile. Nope, goes in the no pile. Right? What you ultimately want to do is get them all in that correct pile, and then you get them removed from the game, right? So you want to repeat this process till all the cards are removed from the game, okay? So adding a timer here can help you get faster and challenge yourself more. All right, so remember, the three-pile game here, right, with using flashcards is useful in memorizing things, self-quizzing, and measuring your recall time. Because when you have time tests and things like that, sometimes you got to get those answers very quickly. So look for more videos on study skills in this series, and keep in mind, and always remember, that we here at LCCC really do care about your success. All right, take care.